Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something really simple but super important: how to log out of your Figma account. Whether you're using a shared device, switching between work and personal accounts, or just like to keep things secure, knowing how to properly sign out is something everyone should know. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll feel totally confident logging out of Figma, no matter where you're working from, so let's jump right in. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is go to Figma. That might sound obvious, but let's take a second to make sure you're in the right spot. If you're using Figma on your browser, just open up your favorite web browser and head to figma.com. If you prefer the desktop app, go ahead and open that up instead. Either way works, it's entirely up to you, and they look almost exactly the same. I always think of this like getting to the front door before you leave a building. You need to actually be inside Figma before you can log out. Now, once you're in, take a look up at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your username or email address displayed there. This area is sort of like your dashboard for all your account settings and profile options. It can be easy to overlook, especially if you're deep into a design project, but that's where you'll find all your account controls. So go ahead and click on your username. Don't worry if you're not sure which one it is. It's usually sitting right next to your profile picture, and it'll either show your full name, your display name, or the email you used when you signed up. When you click on your username, a small drop-down menu will appear. This is where Figma tucks away all those important account functions: profile settings, team management, and of course the option to log out. Take a moment here. It's always a good practice to look around the menu and get familiar with what's available. But for our purposes today, we're just focusing on logging out. Now in that menu, you'll see a logout option, usually right at the bottom, sometimes in a slightly different font or color so you can find it easily. Go ahead and click on Logout, that's it. Figma will immediately sign you out of your account and bring you back to the main login screen. If you're working on a shared or public computer, this is a really important step to keep your account safe and your projects private. And just a quick tip: if you had any files open or were in the middle of something, don't worry, Figma auto-saves your work, so you won't lose anything just by logging out. You can always log back in and pick up right where you left off. So that's how easy it is. Go to Figma, click your username, hit logout, and you're all set. Simple, but knowing how to do these essential things helps keep your workflow smooth and your information secure. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or if there's something else you want to learn about Figma, just leave a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future tutorials. See you in the next one.